National interest is the fundamental objective, an ultimate determinant that guides the decision-makers of a state in making foreign policy. The national interest of a state is typically a highly generalized conception of those elements that constitute the state's most vital needs. These include self-preservation, independence, territorial integrity, military security, and economic well-being. Because no single interest dominates the policymaking functions of a government, the concept might be referred to more accurately in the plural as national interests. When a state bases its foreign policy solely on the bedrock of national interest, with little or no concern for universal moral principles, it can be described as pursuing a realistic, in contradistinction to an idealistic policy.